Hello fellow YouTubers. I'm showing you this video because my wife and I bought one of these Ford Taurus 2012s and it has an issue. They've got a rear power shade on this particular model, and there's a video here this guy showed you how it works, and it goes up there, but it has an issue. It starts to click or smack when you put the car into reverse. It's some sort of an automatic thing that it does, but when it's broken, it's very, very annoying, especially if you don't use it like we don't. So there was a forum here, this Miss Wendy on SHO forums. They found a way. That particular photo there, which you can't go to unless you're a member of the forums, but shows you the module, and here's the picture. This module right here, there's a white connector right underneath that you unplug, and that's the easiest way to fix it. And it took me quite a while to figure that out from all the different sources on the internet. So you pop the 3 tabs up, you reach your hand back there, and you can actually lift this module up if you push the pins on the side and pull up, and then there's wires coming out the back, and it goes to a little white connector, and you can just disconnect it. So hopefully this helps somebody else.